Artificial intelligence is making many tasks easier every day. Using ChatGPT, you can create your own website easily without spending a dime. In this video, I will create an entire website, complete with a sleek navigation bar, a captivating hero section, a clear service section, and a contact section featuring a functional map. At the end, I will show you how to deploy your website with a free domain and hosting. Let's dive into the video. We only need to create 3 files: index.html for HTML code, style.css for CSS code, and script.js for JavaScript code. We won't have to worry about coding because ChatGPT will write all of them in the next steps. I'm currently using ChatGPT 3.5 and it's all okay. There's no big difference between 3.5 and 4.0. The crucial part is the prompt, in other words, how we command ChatGPT. A better prompt can yield brilliant results, even if you're using 3.5s. I'm going to type the prompt. I want you to act like the best full-stack developer. I want to create a website for a social media marketing agency. Add sample data as content. Use Bootstrap. Write HTML and CSS codes for index.html and style.css files. See, ChatGPT writes the code itself for our website. We instructed ChatGPT to use Bootstrap so that we can have a responsive website. However, building a complete website takes multiple iterations. We need to ask ChatGPT to update the website several times. I'll demonstrate this in the next step. Before that, we need to copy these codes and paste them into the relevant files. I open all these files in the Visual Studio Code Editor. It's not necessary. You can open them however you want. Let me paste those codes here and save them. Let's check how our website looks. It's a basic website. Don't worry, this is just the structure. But the good part is, it's responsive. We guided ChatGPT to use Bootstrap. That's how we achieved a mobile responsive structure. Now I'm going to upgrade my hero section from this to this. Let me write the prompt. Great job. Now I want you to upgrade the website section by section. First, upgrade the hero section. I want to add a beautiful and modern background. Use a leaner gradient color. Use a purple color theme. You don't want to provide me the full code again. Only give me upgraded parts. Then I can paste them into relevant places in the code. ChatGPT provides us with the upgraded code. All we need to do is copy and paste it. It's that simple. We'll locate the relevant section to paste it into and replace the existing code. Okay, let's check how our hero section looks. We have made it look professional even without using any images. All we did was command ChatGPT and paste codes. Okay, next, upgrade the navigation bar, set position fixed, and use blurry and semi-transparent background. Give me upgraded CSS lines of the navigation bar. The process is the same. It's simple. Just wait for ChatGPT to write the code, copy and paste it in the right spot, then take a look. I don't want to waste your valuable time for that, so I speed up the process. Upgrade the service section. Add rich paragraphs for each service. Use leaner gradient background for each service. Also, add a beautiful hover effect for them. Give me upgraded HTML lines and CSS lines. I invite all of you to try out these prompts by yourself. Sometimes, ChatGPT gives worse results, but don't worry, by regenerating outputs you can get better results. I want to add a contact section for this website. There are 2 parts in the contact section. As first one of them, create a from to send a mail. Use beautiful modern from. As second one, add a Google Map location. Get location of some point of New York give me HTML and CSS codes. In this case, although I asked for an example point of Google Map, but it couldn't provide it on its own. But don't worry, we can integrate Google Map with our website. It's quite easy. Before that, let me copy and paste these codes into relevant places. To integrate Google Maps into our website, first, you need to select a point on Google Maps. And you can see the share icon, click on it, and go to the Embed a Map. Now you can copy the code, you can copy it and paste it into your HTML file. Awesome! We're almost done with our website. Now we are left to host our website on the internet with a domain. Let's jump into that. For this step, we need GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can simply Google GitHub and go to the first link. Then you're able to create one on there. If you already have one, you can sign into it. However, creating a GitHub account is quite simple, so I don't take a lot of time to explain about it. After you log into your GitHub account, first you need to create a repository. You can name it whatever you want, but make sure it is public. After creating repository, we need to upload our files here. We can simply drag and drop them. Put a comment, whatever you want. We are almost done. Go to the settings and then Pages. Set branch main and save it. That's it. Now we have to wait 1 to 2 minutes and we can reload the page. Then you can see your domain here. Click on it to go to the website we have created. Now, our website is online. We have used a subdomain. If you want to use a custom domain, you can change it anytime. If you want to learn anything about it, leave a comment below. I will create another video about it. If you found this video useful, comment down below. See you next time.